Surfing the internet is fun. So many products, services, games, and surveys. But when a number is required, we often hesitate to use it or share our own. Online privacy matters, and so does staying away from spam and unwanted marketing. Maybe you need it for work or testing developer tools. In that case, one is certainly not enough. What if you could keep your number private and still get things done? That's where KrispCall got you covered. With just a few clicks, you can instantly generate multiple random phone numbers and use them for your daily needs. KrispCall ensures your privacy in every situation. Whether it's filling out a survey or signing up for a game, you don't have to risk exposing your number anymore. With KrispCall, you can generate random numbers that protect your privacy and prevent unwanted follow-ups. Need flexibility? Whether for work, testing a developer tool, or registering for an online service, KrispCall lets you generate 5 numbers from any country you need at a time. No more worrying about location restrictions or number limitations. Ease of use is the key. KrispCall's free tool is quick and easy to use. No complicated sign-up or technical know-how is required. Simply visit KrispCall.com, navigate to free tools, select the random phone number generator, choose your country, and click Generate. There, you're ready to go, and it's available 24/7. KrispCall works whenever you need it, wherever you are. Whether you're testing something during the day or signing up for a service late at night, you can access these phone numbers anytime. If you need more flexibility, KrispCall also offers virtual numbers for longer-term use. These numbers, with their limitless features, are perfect for managing your business, sales, customer support, or even ongoing developer testing. Just go to our website and click on Get Started and sign up. Take control of your privacy today. Try KrispCall's random phone number generator and enjoy complete privacy while accessing the services you need. No sign-up, no hassle.